Good morning, Mr. Jones. My name is Ann, and I'm going to be your CNA for today. And I'm going to go wash my hands, and I'll be back, okay? Pause. Wash my hands. And the first step that we would do, turn on the water. You have to wet your hand from your fingertips to your wrist. On each one of your hands, get you some soap. Lather your hand together from your wrist down to your fingertips. And you need to do it for 20 seconds. So I suggest that you count to 20 so that you'll know that you have done it 20 seconds. You need to rub your fingertips to your palm of your hand on each hand. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now rinse your hands. Your hands cannot touch the sink at any time. You rinse your hands from your wrists down to your fingertips. Let your hand hang down below your elbows. Pull you off a couple of paper towels. Dry your hands only where you wash your hands, from your wrists down to your fingertips. Throw those paper towels away. Get you a clean paper towel and turn the water off.